Got this closed grand from FL Studio Packs in the keyboard section. Laid chords started with E minor, followed by C major and D major, and copied the root notes down an octave and played with the velocities. Added EQ and fruity reverb. Followed the chords to create melodies. I then added an EQ, reverb, stereo shaper, reverb again. Got this choir in the orchestral section and followed the root notes. Put some EQ, reverb, panamatic. For the drums, added a basic clap. Hi-hats. Open hat. This glitchy thing. And the 808. Here is the final beat. Please like, subscribe, share, and don't forget to leave a comment.
Melodies.